What could you do if you could get away from the office? If you could get away from the factory? If you could get away from that 9 to 5? What would your possibilities be? Where could you go? What would you do? Have you ever thought about it? Maybe you're stuck at a job. You're too afraid to quit because where will your money come from? Well, you can start this effort in your spare time. You can develop an income online with my course, 145 Ways to Earn Money Online. You can start right now and build yourself up to the point where maybe you could quit your day job. It's simple and it's easy. You could go out and meet new people, maybe explore far off lands, see new destinations, explore the world. All these things are possible because you'll have an income that's coming in 24 hours a day. You'll have the freedom to travel, to do whatever you want. It's simple and it's easy. You just need the income to back you up, and you need to know that it's always going to be there. With that, you can get away from the office. You'll have all the free time that you could desire. It's there. It's there for the taking. All you have to do is go out and grab it. Maybe you want to spend time with your friends, or maybe you want to do something like uh, you want to go hang gliding. Wouldn't that be great? Just to fly around in the sky. Or maybe you just want to spend time walking along the beach. You can, because you'll have the confidence of knowing that your income is coming in 24 hours a day. So take that plunge. Jump in. The water's fine. Hi, my name is Mike. I'd like to introduce you to my course. It's called How to Make Money Online 145 Ways. That's right. I've gone through and looked at all the different ways you can make money online and put it in this nice, neat little course. And many of these things are very different from what you would expect. Um, okay, you have eBay, you have Craigslist, you have Amazon. These are all the basic ones, but it goes much further. There are different ways you can use websites that you've never even considered as methods of making money. Yes, it's true. There's different things you can buy and sell and rent. I mean, it's amazing. 145 ways. Now, if you implement these ways in your life, you could create a constant flow of income. Most rich people, what they do is they try to create as many different uh, sources of income. The average poor person only works a job. If they lose a job, oh, things are tough, right? But because they're depending on one single source of income. But you can create different sources of income. It's simple, it's easy, and I outline these things in this course. 145 ways. Ways that you would never have considered, but are there anyway. Things that are there because of the incredible explosion of knowledge that we're experiencing having this medium that we call the internet. From what I gather, any advertising has value. All advertisement, all advertising has some type of value and will bring you an income. It's true. It's amazing, but true. You don't have to stay in the lines and do things a specific way. No, you can branch out. You can think outside the box, and this will give you some ideas. 145 ways to make money on the internet. Yes, it's incredible. And if you want to start that course, just go to the link below and we'll get started, and you'll be on your way. 145 ways to make money on the internet. Now, you're probably wondering, how much would a course like this cost? Other people charge hundreds of dollars for these courses, but I've been noticing a trend with the online course market. A lot of people are putting their courses on sites which have sales or very low cost to enter. And so what I've done is I put my courses on Udemy, Udemy.com. Now, what they do is they have very low cost for sites. Now, you can, as an online course provider, you can list your course for $200, the maximum, right? But they have sales continuously. 90% of their sales, the cost of the course is $10 or $20. Now, that's a deal. Considering that other courses go for hundreds of dollars. So what I've done is I've taken my courses and placed them on Udemy to make them all accessible for you. Now you can see not only this course, but all my other courses, new ones coming out every day in this list. So I hope to see you there, udemy.com. If you are on YouTube, just look at the description box down below this video, and you'll see the links to not only this online course, but also all the other courses. Just click those and you'll be glad you did. They say that the best things in life are free, but in this case, the best things in life are pretty low cost. I'll see you there.